Hello friends, how are you doing? Today I am going to show you the new pattern which is very easy. So for this I put the stitches, and after the stitches I already knit the back row, wrong row. I knit all the stitches. Then we are going to the right side. Right side means that we will leave two stitches here on the edges, one here. Rest we will knit, one purl, one knit, one purl. Like that we will finish two rows. So I have already finished one row. Now we go to the next row. So this you can make purl or you can knit, up to you. Now we will start. The first one I am taking two of this purl, then two knit, two purl, two knit, two purl, two knit, this two purl and this two knit. So like that we will make 4 rows. These two we are knitting, these two purl. We can use the multiple or we can use the stitches which can be divided by 2, like 10, 14, 18, 20, like that. So now we finish two purl. You can check from here. Now we will knit two knit, two purl, then again two knit. The last one left, the edge stitch, you can knit or you can purl, no problem. So this is the first row of the pattern stars. So same we will do from the back side, the wrong side. Like that we will finish 4 rows. So the first, this is the edge stitch. So next two are purl, then two knit, then two purl, again two knit. For knitting we have to keep the thread at the back, and for purl I need to keep the thread towards me. These two are purl, again these two knit, and these two purl, knit, and last also I will knit only. Now 2 rows are finished. We have to make the same 4 rows. So like that 4 rows are finished. You can see this looks like that. 4 rows finished. This is the half of the pattern. Now I start with the second step of the pattern. This is the half pattern. I will knit one. Then each stitch I have to fold the thread 3 times, tight or loose. Like this, 1, 2, 3. Each stitch I have to fold the thread 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. same way till the end. Three. Again 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Wrap around the needle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this stitch is folded 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now the last stitch, which is the edge stitch, we can just simply knit. This is done. We go to the back side, wrong side of the pattern. Now we have to open all by 4, 4. So this is done. Now I will open each stitch. I have to open 4 stitches together like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, because these are 4. So now we will put back to the left needle like this way, and pull it little with your needle like this. Now the last 2 from these 4 we will cross over this front 2 this way. It looks like V. Now we will take back to knit all. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will pull little like this. Again we will open 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the 4 stitches. We will take back to the left needle again. Pull it little bit. Now again we will take the last 2 stitches on this right needle by crossing the front 2 this way. It looks like V. Again take back to this and knit all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull it like this little. Again 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4. So we will go back to the same needle, left needle, pull it bit like this. Now 2 thread, 2 string cross over and take on the right needle like this. It became V. So now we have to knit all 4. One, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the next step of the pattern. Again we will open 4. 1, 2, 3 and this last 4. So these are 4, you can see. We'll go back to the left needle. Like this, pull little bit. The last one in the front on the right needle. Just cross it over. That's it. So this became like V. Now put it back to this needle and knit it. Four and just pull it this way. You can see. And the last one, you can purl or knit anything. So this is done. Now from the right side it looks like this, because this I have taken little tight. If you fold the thread little loose, then it will show little bit different. I will show you now. Again we will knit all how it's showing. Now we will knit all from the right side. This is the third row of it. Right side we will knit all. Now we reach to the wrong side. We will purl all. Here we purl all the stitches. This pattern is finished. It looks this way. The half of it, after the stitches, the 0 row, we will knit or we will purl. Then we start 1 edge stitch, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit and the edge stitch. Then we go back the half pattern, which we will take, for which we will take 4 stitches. So we have to roll all the stitches 3 times. 1 stitch 3 times folding, tight or loose, how your hand is working. Then on the second row we have to open the stitches. Same time we are knitting it. Last from the 4, last 2 we will take front. Then we take back to the left needle and we will knit all. So then third and fourth row, 1 is purl and 1 is knit. Then after that, to start again this half pattern, half of the pattern look. So we will take first line same. It should come same. This is the edge stitch, then 2 we have taken before purl, so we will take purl. If we have taken before knit, we will take knit. I will show you one line to start this half part of the pattern. This one I knit. Now this two showing purl, so I will go with 2 purl, 1 and 2. Now 2 knit, again 2 purl, so it will show the same on the top. Again knit, 2 purl, again knit 2 stitches, again 2 stitches purl and 2 knit, and the last one also you can knit or purl, up to you. So it will come this way. So you have to complete the 4 rows of this. This is the right side, one we already did. Then again same 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, the wrong side. Again we are coming to the right side, same, and 4th row also same. So this will be ready, half part of the pattern. Then again we will switch to this 3-fold on each stitch. I will show you this one. See, this is done. First I put the stitches, then 2 rows of straight lines. To make straight line, either you knit or you purl, up to you. Then after that start the pattern. First one, the edge stitch, knit or purl, 2 purl, 2 knit, 2 purl, 2 knit, like that. It is showing 3 ways. Here I put 2 to fold on each stitch. So if you put 2 fold on each stitch, it looks this way, little bit tight. Take these 3 folds on each stitch, little loose. If your hand is loose, it will show this way, like this. You can see. And if you take the stitches little tight, the fold I mean, on each stitch 3 fold little tight means normal, then it will come in this way. The pattern will look like this, like cross. Thank you for watching.